Arnold Schwarzenegger wrote a letter to his younger self. What he said will shock you. Your future self is screaming at you right now. In his letter, Arnold said, "Stop worrying about being awkward. That accent, it'll make you millions. 5 years from now, you'll be one of two people. You will either say, 'I wish I'd listened to that video,' or you are holding your version of Arnold's Terminator check. Steal Arnold's blueprint. 1. See your future daily. He visualized being Mr. Olympia. 2. Embrace your flaws. His accent became his brand. 3. Bet on yourself first. He bought gym equipment before he could afford food. Comment Terminator mode if you're writing to your future self tonight. Arnold's younger self couldn't imagine Terminator or Governor. What are you not imagining? Subscribe to light up your journey. Now like this video and share with your friends.